In today's video, we're going to break down how to use TubeLab to find videos that are blowing up in your niche so you're not guessing what to post next on YouTube. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've ever sat down to plan content and felt completely stuck, overwhelmed, or like every idea is already taken, then this video is for you. One of the hardest parts of growing on YouTube isn't filming, editing, or even being consistent. It's deciding what video to make next. A lot of creators either copy trends too late, chase viral videos that have already peaked, or rely on gut instinct without any data to back it up. That usually leads to inconsistent results and burnout. TubeLab is designed to solve that problem. Instead of guessing or scrolling endlessly, it helps you spot videos that are already gaining traction right now before they feel saturated. In this video, we'll walk through what TubeLab is, how its core features work, then we'll walk through how creators actually use it to find opportunities that still have room to grow. So let's get into it. Okay, so let's start off with the basics and talk about what TubeLab even is. So TubeLab is a YouTube research and analytics tool focused on trend discovery. Its main job is to help creators identify videos that are outperforming expectations in real time. Unlike traditional analytics tools that focus on total views or subscriber counts, TubeLab looks at momentum and highlight videos that are growing faster than normal for the channel or niche. This is important because it helps you spot content that's taking off early, not content that already went viral months ago. The goal of TubeLab is not to tell you exactly what video to make, it's to show you what audiences are responding to right now so you can create your own original content around those ideas. Think of it like a research assistant that narrows your focus and saves you time. TubeLab is also commonly used by YouTubers, content teams, and niche creators who want a more strategic approach to content planning without needing advanced analytics skills. One of TubeLab's main features is trend discovery based on performance velocity. Instead of ranking videos purely by views, it highlights videos that are gaining views faster than expected. This helps you catch trends early rather than after they've already peaked. Another important feature is niche-based exploration. You can focus your research on specific topics or categories instead of the entire platform. This just makes it easier to find relevant ideas for your audience instead of getting distracted by unrelated viral content. TubeLab also provides performance context. You can see how a video is performing compared to the creator's usual uploads. This is a big deal because a video with 50,000 views might be normal for one channel but a huge breakout for another. Filtering and sorting options help refine your research so you can adjust results based on recency, growth rate, or engagement signals depending on what you're actually looking for. Together, these features help creators move past guessing to recognizing patterns. Now here's how creators use TubeLab in practice. If you want to go ahead and check out TubeLab, we do have an exclusive link down in the description below. So most creators start by choosing a general niche or topic that they want to focus on. This might be something like e-commerce, personal finance, fitness, software tutorials, commentary, or education. Instead of brainstorming from scratch, they open TubeLab and explore what's currently gaining traction in that space. As they scroll through results, they're not obsessing over total view counts. Instead, they're asking better questions. How fast is this video growing? Is it performing significantly better than the creator's average uploads? Is it recent or has it already peaked? Once a few standout videos appear, the next step is observation. Creators look closely at the title, thumbnail, and format. Is the title problem focused? Is it curiosity driven? Is it specific or broad? Does the thumbnail use text, faces, or simple visuals? They also look at the video type. Is it a tutorial, a breakdown, a comparison, a reaction, or a case study? Patterns start to emerge when you look at several videos side by side. From here, creators brainstorm their own angle. Instead of copying, they ask, how can they approach the same topic differently? Maybe they can explain it more clearly, target a different audience, or even update it with new information. This is how TubeLab turns trend data into original ideas. Now, a common mistake creators make is thinking that blowing up only means millions of views. In reality, growth is all relative. If a channel usually gets 5,000 views per video and suddenly one video hits 50,000 quickly, that's a breakout. TubeLab helps surface those moments by comparing performance against a channel's normal baseline. These videos often represent early signs of interest in a topic or format. Catching them early gives you a chance to join the trend while it's still growing instead of arriving late. Understanding this mindset shift is very important. You're not chasing viral numbers, you're identifying momentum. Over time, TubeLab becomes more than just a one-off research tool. Creators start noticing patterns across multiple videos. You might notice that certain formats consistently perform better in your niche. For example, comparison videos might outperform reviews or step-by-step tutorials tutorials might outperform general advice. You may also notice that certain topics resurface every few months with renewed interest. These recurring trends can help you plan content in advance instead of scrambling week to week. Some creators use TubeLab weekly to check what's gaining traction. Others use it monthly to validate larger content plans. Either way, it helps create decisions in real signals instead of guesswork. Now let's talk about some common research mistakes to avoid. So one mistake is chasing every trend you see. Not every fast-growing video is right for your specific channel. Relevance matters so much more than speed. Another mistake is copying titles or thumbnails too closely. Audiences can tell when content feels recycled. TubeLab is meant to inspire, not clone. It's also really easy to overanalyze. Data is so helpful, but it shouldn't stop you from actually creating. Use TubeLab to guide direction, not to delay action. Okay, now that you understand TubeLab and how to use it, let's talk about some of the pros and cons so you can decide if it's a good fit for your workflow. One of the biggest advantages of TubeLab is speed. It helps you spot rising videos faster than manually researching, which is just going to save you so much time and energy. Another benefit is context. Seeing how videos perform relative to channel size gives you a more realistic sense of what's actually working. Now on the downside, TubeLab doesn't replace creativity. It shows patterns, but it doesn't tell you how to execute videos well. Like any analytics tool, it requires interpretation. Okay, now let's take a look at the different plans and pricing options. If you again want to click our link, I'll just navigate to the pricing. They've got two plans and you can pay monthly or yearly. I'm going to go ahead and go over the yearly because that's how you're going to get the best price possible. Okay, they've got the Pro plan, which is $14.90 per month, again paid annually. This gets you 3,600 credits. You also get Niche Finder, Outliers Finder, title formulas, rank tracker, API access, and then we've got the team plan, which is $80 per month paid annually. With this, you get 14,400 credits. You get everything in the Pro plan, but you get team with up to 10 members. Okay, so just some things to keep in mind. So just go ahead and depending on if you have a team or not will really depend what you need as well as how many credits you need. TubeLab is a great fit for you if you want a clear way to find video ideas that are already gaining traction. It's especially helpful for creators who feel stuck or overwhelmed by YouTube's size. If you prefer creating content purely from intuition and don't want any data involved, TubeLab will probably feel unnecessary, but for many creators, it adds structure without killing creativity. Before we wrap up, I just wanted to touch on a couple of bonus tips. So one helpful tip is to save examples of videos that stand out. Over time, these examples become a personal reference library that helps you recognize patterns faster. Another tip is to look for clusters instead of one-off hits. If multiple videos around the same topic are growing, that's a stronger signal than a single breakout. It's also useful to track timing. Trends move fast, and checking TubeLab consistently helps you catch opportunities early instead of after they're everywhere. And finally, remember that trends don't replace quality, but focus on clarity, value, and delivery when creating the video. I know coming up with YouTube ideas can feel harder than actually making the videos sometimes, but tools like TubeLab don't create content for you, but they do help you see what's working right now so you're not guessing. If you want to check out TubeLab for yourself, don't forget to use our exclusive link down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. This channel is dedicated to breaking down software tools in a simple, honest way so you can grow your business. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.